If you never made money online at all, you try all the websites and you try all the surveys and you never made any cent, this is the opportunity for you now, guys. This is the opportunity for you. What I love about this one, they pay you via your bank account, so don't worry a lot about PayPal and something like that, because you're gonna get paid into your bank account. This is the new app, you need to grab it now. As you can see, captech payment 71 rand into saving account. Ref BB is B mene available. Okay, I don't wanna give you my available amount. As you can see, this is what it was, 19 August info. As you can see there, guys, this is from Capitec. I got this message from Capitec yesterday, so I decided to make a video today, guys. I made this kind of money yesterday, so okay, guys, this is the website that I was talking about. So as you can see, on my balance I'm having 0 just because I just cashed out my 71 rand. So I registered on this website. It was 15th of August. I registered on this website and start this kind of start getting this kind of profit that you saw there. That's 71 rand. So as you can see, I'm having 0 now. So let me show you something. So guys, when you register, they will need your cell phone number and then your password, and you need someone to refer you for you to get free 45 rand for free, guys. When you register, you get 45 rand for free. Please make sure you use the link and the code that I'm gonna provide with you, just because if you're gonna use only the link, you're not going to get that 45 rand. Please be careful while registering on this website. Please make sure, I will leave the link on my description and also with the code that you'll need to use to register on this platform. Please don't forget to use the code, because if you don't, you won't get your 45 rand. So guys, as you can see, you're gonna get paid 5 rand each and every one each and everyone you're going to refer on this platform. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to refer. You'll just okay, you're gonna click okay, let's take okay, it's still loading. Let me show you something. It's still loading. Patient people. Okay guys, as you can see, you're gonna click home and click where they said invite. You're gonna click invite, and then here is our link and also our code. So make sure when you invite someone to register on this one, make sure you give them the invitation code. You're gonna click copy and then paste it maybe on WhatsApp, and then click the link and paste it on WhatsApp. So when they register, they're gonna use your code, and then you're gonna get 5 rand each and every person who register. So that's the big commission. 5 rand is a big commission, just because if you're gonna refer like 20 people, that's a lot of money. So, and also remember that if you refer someone becomes noticeable, it's every time when you try to deposit on this platform, you're gonna get paid in that way. So when you have like more people, you're gonna make a lot of money on this app, guys. Okay, let me show you something again beside referrals. Come on. So I don't need really have the link. I just wanna download the app first. I'm just gonna click login just because I have logged out. Okay, so I've showed you how to invite, and also now I want to show you if you have a bonus code, you're gonna put your bonus code. Whenever they give you your bonus code, you're gonna put your bonus code here and receive some bonuses. It's for free, guys, for free. You don't need to pay money to receive that kind of bonus. So guys, as you can see, you can also download the app if you want the app to on your phone. You're gonna click download. Click download the app. Okay, gonna click download, and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm downloading the app so that I will access the app using so that I can access the website using an app. Is what I'm trying to say. So you can withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw, it's easy to withdraw. They will just need your, okay, let me show you guys, just because a lot of people getting confused on this one and they don't get their money. So let me show you how to put your info, just because if you put your info wrongly, they're gonna reject your withdrawal, and you will say that this website is a scam. So but I will show you a proof that this website is not a scam. I will show you a proof so that you know. A lot of people are using this website to make money now, guys. I will show you a proof for you to see that, and they're getting paid, guys. They're getting paid. So I'll show you a proof. And someone referred me on this app just because he saw my YouTube channel. So he told me that I should make a video just because the website is legit. So I tried the website. It was 15th. So I tried the website, and the website paid me yesterday, guys, as I showed you there. So I want to show you a proof that I'm not doing this alone. There are a lot of people out there that are using this website to generate some extra cash. As you can see, guys, I think my network is really bad just because they're not showing me anything yet. Let me try login. I think it's because of the time. Now it's 11. It's 11, guys. So I'm making this video by 11 midnight. So as you can see, that's why there's nothing that is going to show here, just because we don't withdraw at night on this website. So that is why I think is the reason why they're not showing me anything here. So but it's easy, straightforward. You just need your name, the name on your card. Just type your name. If you missed there or whatever, you're gonna put your mistake whatever, and then you're gonna put your bank account. I think it's a bank account, and I'm not sure about the other things, just because it's not loading for now. But I think it's your bank account, and also your name. That's easy as that. And also, if you want to recharge, you're gonna come here and click recharge. If you want to recharge starting from 150, so you can pay with your bank account. It's easy as that. If you want an info, you can check the info here. They will explain to you how to recharge on this platform so that you can make money in that other way, guys. So let me try to show you something again. So the best way that I like on this one to make money is to invite friends. I like that one. You can even use Facebook to do that. It's easy as that. It's because 5 friend, guys, is a lot. If you have 2 people, you have 10 rand. If you have 4 people, wow, you have 30 rand. If you have 10 people, guys, that's a lot of money. As you know, it's 100 rand, if I'm not mistaken. Is it 100 rand? Yes, it's 100 rand. So as you can see, so guys, you're gonna read everything about the app here. Every information that you need, you'll get it here, just because everything is here. So you don't need to, like, I won't explain much on this video, just because I don't want the video to be long. So you're gonna check everything here, the commissions and the money that they're going to give you when you refer. Everything is here, guys. You just need to read. But I love to refer, guys. That's what I love. So just because there I'm gonna make a lot. So remember, you're gonna get 45 rand when you register. You can come to Facebook, guys, and then let me show you. Okay, a lot of people are talking about this website. As you can see here, new baby paying fast, 5 rand for referral, no deposit needed, 60 rand minimum withdrawal. So as you can see, guys, it's 50 rand minimum withdrawal. As you can see, this one got paid, like me, is 82 rand into FA savings ref B Menemen. As you can see, this is the same platform that is paying us, and you can see the other one here is Capitec notification, 101 rand. The ref is B Menemen. As you can see, guys, this website is really paying. As you can see, a lot of people are making testimonials about their website, as you can see. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. And see this one here, Capitec payment, 168 into saving account, and the ref is B Menemene. that's it, guys. Wow, this website is so amazing. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. You know I love you all. I got you covered, guys. If you never made money, try this website. It's gonna make you like some extra cash for yourself. So thank you for watching. Please, if you have some questions, please comment down. And if you like the video, please comment down, say TMK, I love the video, so that they can know like how many people love the video. So disclaimer, it's not the get rich quick. It's just the app that going to help you to make some extra cash. If you're looking for something that will make you rich, or something that you just wake up and making like 1,000 rand, 5,000 rand, this is not a video for you. This video is for people who want to make some extra cash every day, maybe 200 rand, 300 rand, 400 rand on this one. So but if you're going to like deposit and start to like investing your money on this platform, you can do that, but at your own risk. Just because I don't trust this kind of website. I'm just making money for free. I'm not like putting my own money on this kind of platforms, just because sometimes they can close these platforms and you will be scammed in that way. So for free, you can start for free on this platform and make money for free with referrals. Make money for free, guys, with referrals. But if you want to invest, you can invest, but I don't do that on this kind of platform, just because they come and go. So I'm just working for free and making this money for free with referrals, so that I can withdraw and enjoy that 200 rand, 300 rand. So guys, I will see you on the next video. I love you all. So boy, TMK money, guys. Please comment down and say TMK money. See you on the next video.